naging successful yung taping namin ng bago naming show ni Elle, which is Makiling. Yun yung number one na gusto ko matanggap. Pero siguro when it comes to blessings na physical, masasabi ko na ang blessed ko ng tao. Ang blessing na gusto ko is yung iba rin mabigyan ng blessing. Gusto ko sanang makapagpaaral ng random na tao. I've explored na helping people talaga is my passion and I really want to do that kasi una-una kailangan siya eh. Need siya eh. The education, need to learn, need to know. So yun, blessing of education. So from there, sana yun na yung magpaganda ng life niya. Just continue fighting, be resilient, never stop looking for opportunities kasi malay nyo, malapit na kayo, sayang di pa nagawa. So laban lang ng laban and Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat mga kapuso.